The digitalization of technologies is evolving every day, and connecting legacy devices that are not up to date is not an issue anymore with the Spime Enabler. The Enabler is an IoT gateway. To make it simpler, you can connect your fan or vacuum cleaner to other entities in order to monitor and even control them through methods such as Internet Protocol. Another trending example is how the heating or ventilation system of a house or a facility can be connected in order to collect data and monitor the temperature or dust flow in the air through a platform. Finally, these legacy devices have the chance to become digitally capable. So you must be thinking that if you've survived till today without connecting your device digitally, why should you even bother making a change now? We're at a point that everything is digital, and if your device isn't connected, how can you predict and know what the issue is if it breaks? Let's go back in time to see how the enablers have evolved. Early 2000s. Various devices were created and experimented in order to create the perfect enablers for each client's needs, which led to the following enablers. 2013 Spime Enabler 1.0. 2017 Spime Enabler 2.0. 2019 Spime Enabler 3.0. Spime Enabler connects seamlessly to BaseN's fully owned, patented, and designed platform, where all other BaseN functions are processed and managed. Spime provides a full digitalization of devices and a Spime Enabler solution that is unprecedented in terms of its scalability, fault tolerance, automated adaptability, security, sustainability, and ensures bulletproof service levels. With nearly 2 decades of experience developing and perfecting devices continuously, we have created the ideal IoT gateway, the Spime Enabler. Thank you for watching.